With respect, and if you don't mind me asking, do you own a gun?
I don't.
Breaking news tonight. Hunter Biden has been indicted on 9 tax charges in California.
Point in an exchange, Garland was asked directly, has anyone from the White House provided any direction?
Garland grilled for hours on Capitol Hill, facing questions on cases again involving Hunter Biden, President Biden, and Donald Trump.
No offense, but the fentanyl problem is killing Americans.
Budget inquiry and discrepancies. In the riveting exchange between Senator Kennedy and Attorney General Garland, the spotlight beams brightly on the intricacies of the Department of Justice budget. With Kennedy's probing questions and Garland's tentative responses, the scene unfolds like a courtroom drama, complete with twists and turns that keep audiences on the edge of their seats. As the dialogue unfolds, Kennedy wastes no time diving into the heart of the matter. With a pointed inquiry, he seeks to unravel the mystery shrouding the Department of Justice's financial affairs. His questions cut through the bureaucratic red tape, demanding clarity on the numbers that seem to dance around the truth. However, Garland's responses are far from the straightforward answers Kennedy seeks. Like a skilled politician caught in a tight spot, Garland dances around the figures, struggling to provide a clear picture of the department's current budget. His hesitation adds fuel to the fire, igniting Kennedy's determination to uncover the truth. The discussion quickly escalates into a heated debate over discretionary and mandatory spending. Kennedy's sharp wit and keen eye for detail leave no stone unturned as he dissects the budget proposal with surgical precision. With each passing moment, the tension in the room mounts, mirroring the intensity of a high-stakes courtroom showdown. As Garland grapples with Kennedy's relentless questioning, the audience is drawn deeper into the fray. The exchange becomes more than just a mundane discussion about budgetary numbers. It evolves into a battle of wits between two formidable adversaries. Through it all, Kennedy remains undeterred, pressing forward in his quest for transparency and accountability. His unwavering commitment to the truth is palpable, casting a spotlight on the importance of fiscal responsibility in government. In the end, while the discrepancies in figures may persist, Kennedy's relentless pursuit of answers serves as a reminder that even in the halls of power, accountability remains paramount. And as the curtain falls on this gripping exchange, audiences are left pondering the age-old adage, "Follow the money." Gun control discussion. In the high-stakes arena of Capitol Hill, where debates can spark fires that rage across the nation, Senator Kennedy sets his sights on a contentious issue: gun control. With the stage set for a clash of ideologies, he turns his attention to Attorney General Garland, seeking to peel back the layers of his stance on firearms. With the gravity of the topic weighing heavy in the air, Kennedy's question cuts through the tension like a well-aimed arrow. He wastes no time inquiring about Garland's position on gun control and ownership, probing the depths of his conviction on this divisive issue. But Kennedy isn't finished yet. With the tenacity of a seasoned interrogator, he presses further, delving into the realm of personal security arrangements. It's a line of questioning that cuts to the heart of the matter, probing the Attorney General's own measures for protection in a world where gun violence looms large. As the dialogue unfolds, it becomes clear that the discussion transcends mere policy debates. It's a clash of values, beliefs, and personal experiences. Kennedy's inquiry serves as a mirror, reflecting the complexities of American society's relationship with guns and the role of government in regulating them. In the end, the gun control discussion leaves audiences grappling with tough questions and pondering the delicate balance between individual liberties and public safety. And as Kennedy and Garland navigate the minefield of opinions and ideologies, they remind us that in the pursuit of progress, no topic is off limits. Fentanyl trafficking concerns. In the tumultuous arena of politics, where borders blur and alliances shift, Senator Kennedy turns his gaze southward, shining a spotlight on a looming crisis, the influx of fentanyl from Mexican drug cartels. With the fate of countless lives hanging in the balance, he pulls no punches in his quest for answers. With his somber tone and furrowed brow, Kennedy lays bare the harsh reality of the situation. He highlights the devastating impact of fentanyl on communities across the United States, painting a vivid picture of the lives lost and families torn apart by this lethal drug. But Kennedy's concerns don't stop there. With his steely resolve, he turns his attention to President Lopez Obrador of Mexico, probing the depths of his commitment to combating the fentanyl epidemic. It's a bold move that sends shock waves through the political landscape, raising questions about the level of cooperation between two neighboring nations in the face of a common enemy. As Kennedy awaits a response, the room falls silent, the weight of his words hanging heavy in the air. And when Attorney General Garland steps into the fray, his measured response speaks volumes.
With respect, and if you don't mind me asking, do you own a gun?
I don't.
The Mexican cartels who manufacture the fentanyl and send it into the United States, the Mexican drug cartels, and turn them upside down.
Of the President of Mexico.
Do you think the President of Mexico is our friend? No offense, but the fentanyl problem is killing Americans.
While acknowledging the need for cooperation from Mexico, he treads carefully, refraining from delving into the intricacies of diplomatic strategy. In the end, the fentanyl trafficking concerns serve as a sobering reminder of the challenges that lie ahead. They underscore the importance of collaboration and communication in the fight against drug trafficking, and they highlight the need for leaders on both sides of the border to come together in pursuit of a common goal: saving lives. As the discussion draws to a close, Kennedy's words linger in the air, a poignant reminder of the stakes at hand. And as policymakers grapple with the complexities of the fentanyl crisis, one thing remains clear: the need for action has never been more urgent. Hunter Biden tax allegations. In the political arena, where scandals lurk around every corner, Senator Kennedy steps into the fray armed with a barrage of accusations regarding Hunter Biden's tax payments and expenses. With a spotlight firmly fixed on Attorney General Garland, Kennedy pulls no punches, demanding answers and accountability from the highest levels of government. With a furrowed brow and a voice tinged with righteous indignation, Kennedy lays bare the allegations swirling around Hunter Biden's financial dealings. He accuses the Department of Justice of turning a blind eye, allowing the statute of limitations to expire without taking action against Biden.
Breaking news tonight. Hunter Biden has been indicted on 9 tax charges in California.
Hunter Biden is set to be arraigned on tax evasion charges here in Los Angeles. He's expected to plead not guilty.
There was a very dramatic moment. I was in that courtroom about 20 feet from the president's son.
Federal indictment of President Biden's son, Hunter Biden, on tax charges.
It's a reminder that in the pursuit of justice, partisan politics must take a back seat to the rule of law. And as the discussions unfolds, Kennedy's accusations are met with a resounding rebuttal, underscoring the importance of due process and impartiality in the face of controversy. In the end, the Hunter Biden tax allegations serve as a sobering reminder of the complexities of political discourse. They highlight the need for transparency and accountability, and they underscore the importance of independent investigations free from outside influence. And as the dust settles on this heated exchange, one thing remains clear: in the halls of power, the truth will always prevail. Special Counsel Investigation. In the labyrinth of legal proceedings and political scrutiny, Attorney General Garland takes center stage to address the intricate web of the Special Counsel investigation into Hunter Biden. With the weight of the public scrutiny bearing down on him, Garland stands firm, unwavering in his commitment to uphold the principles of impartiality and due process. With measured words and a steady gaze, Garland emphasizes the paramount importance of independence in the special counsel's investigation. He underscores the fact that Special Counsel Weiss operates autonomously, free from the influence or interference of outside forces. It's a crucial point that highlights the integrity of the investigation and ensures that justice is blind to political agendas. As Garland delves deeper into the details of the investigation, he unveils a key component: the issuance of a comprehensive report to Congress by Special Counsel Weiss. This report serves as a beacon of transparency, shedding light on the findings of the investigation and allowing for further scrutiny and oversight by elected officials. It's a testament to the principles of accountability and transparency that underpin the American justice system. Yet, amidst the clamor of questions and speculation, Garland remains steadfast in his resolve to maintain the integrity of the investigation.
It was a full-fledged political combat on Capitol Hill.
I am not the president's lawyer. I will add, I am not Congress's prosecutor.
Point in an exchange, Garland was asked directly, has anyone from the White House provided any direction?
I do not intend to discuss the internal Justice Department deliberations, whether or not I had them.
Garland grilled for hours on Capitol Hill, facing questions on cases again involving Hunter Biden, President Biden, and Donald Trump.
When pressed about his own involvement, he deflects with finesse, reaffirming that Special Counsel Weiss bears sole responsibility for the proceedings. It's a strategic move that underscores Garland's commitment to upholding the principles of independence and impartiality, even in the face of intense scrutiny. As the discussion draws to a close, Garland's words resonate with a sense of gravitas and determination. They serve as a reminder that in the pursuit of justice, integrity and independence are paramount. And as the special counsel investigation into Hunter Biden unfolds, one thing remains clear: the truth will prevail, unfettered by the tides of politics or personal agendas. That's all for this video, folks. See you next time.